7 days to stop overthinking, day 3. Calm mental noise and find stillness. Welcome to day 3 of your journey toward a quieter mind. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to settle. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. And softly breathe out, releasing any tension. Bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel each inhale and each exhale with gentle attention. Today we calm the mental noise and invite stillness. Notice the sounds of your thoughts without engaging. Like distant voices fading into the background. You do not need to follow every thought that appears. Allow them to pass without giving them energy. Return your focus gently to your breath. Your breath is steady, calm, and present. Each breath creates a little more quiet. Feel your mind beginning to soften. Like ripples settling on still water. Now bring attention to the space between thoughts. Even a brief moment of silence is enough. Rest your awareness in that quiet space. There is peace beneath the noise. You are learning to access that peace. Let your breathing become slightly deeper now. Inhale slowly and fully. Exhale gently and completely. Allow your body to relax even more. Relax your forehead and your eyes. Release your jaw and your shoulders. Let your chest and stomach soften naturally. As your body relaxes, your mind follows. Feel the quiet spreading within you. Thoughts are slowing without effort. You are not forcing stillness. You are allowing it to emerge naturally. If a thought arises, gently acknowledge it. And let it fade as you return to your breath. Each return builds your ability to stay present. Feel the calm becoming more stable. Like a quiet space you can always return to. Take a deeper breath in now. And slowly breathe out. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Gently move your fingers and your toes. Feel the surface beneath you. Carry this sense of stillness into your day. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Notice the quiet clarity within your mind. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.